In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable layer group previews on the GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. And then on the left panel here, you want to select where it says Interface. And on the right side underneath Previews, Enable Layer Group Previews. Go ahead and check mark or uncheck that depending on your preference, and then select OK. You will need to restart GIMP in order for the changes to take effect in some cases. So we're going to go ahead and just discard that, and we're going to reopen it. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.